Question 15. The diagram shows a regular pentagon. The lines QS and RT meet at U. What is the size of the angle PUR? So we're looking at this angle in here. Now, there are a lot of isosceles triangles in here, lots of hidden isosceles triangles. And the way that you'll see on my worked examples actually takes you around the houses and looks at lots of different angles on the way. This is the more direct route. We know that inside a pentagon, this angle is going to be 108 degrees. So therefore, this angle here is also going to be 108 degrees. This and this shows that the triangle SQR is going to be an isosceles triangle. If this is 108 degrees, and we're going to divide that by 2 to be able to get each of these, we're looking at 36 degrees. So this one is 36 and this one is 36. The same goes for this triangle here, this one and this one. So this will be 36 and this one will be 36 because it's just by symmetry across. If these two are 36, then this one here, that U is actually going to be 108. So I'm just going to put this in here. And I'm just going to draw this angle out. This is my green. I know that this is 108. So this is actually around U. But I've got this here. And actually, this angle here will be exactly the same as that angle there. So if I now do 360, subtract 108, (252), and then I divide that by 2, we're looking at 126, and that is indeed the correct answer. 126 is D.